Wait for everybody to finish on their phones.
I thought you were still setting the thing up. Hey everybody, it's Steve, Don, and Alex from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana, and we've been just a little bit busy and we haven't been able to put out a lot of content lately. So, what have we been up to? What we got going on?
Well, of course, we had the holidays. That was busy. We do have a major competition coming up in April. Details will follow soon, but we're going to be giving away 4 guns for that competition, and one of which is a $2,000 STI, so that'll be a competition you definitely want to check out. If you're a shooter, for sure, check out that competition.
We haven't done a competition here forever.
I'm thinking, can we jump in that so I can win that STI?
No, I don't believe employees count.
Employees cannot enter, but we can do our own little competition.
How about this? We also haven't done a gun giveaway in forever either.
All right, let's do a gun giveaway.
So Don, before we get started, would you be willing to put up your own personal gun if you lose?
My gun?
Your personal gun.
Is he going to buy it from me first?
Nope.
Wait. You're saying against me or you or who?
I get you two. I won the last one. You two go head to head. I'll put on a little competition in there, and the loser has to give away their personal carry gun.
No.
Yes.
I'm not sure I'm on board with that either.
Oh, what are you carrying?
A Glock.
I'll give that one away. What about you?
Glock what?
19. What do you have on you?
I'm carrying my shield.
I'm going to go set up a competition. If you lose, you're giving away your Glock. 19, right?
Yep.
If you lose, you're giving away your shield. You in?
All right, fine.
Yes.
All right, so
This is a bad idea.
What's the viewer have to do to get in on this?
You know what? Let me set it up. We'll go run the competition. At the end, I will explain how you're going to win one of their guns, their personal guns. How about that?
Fair enough. And lunch for us.
Let me go set it up.
All right.
Alright guys, so here's the setup. Don and Steve will both have 2 magazines with 6 rounds apiece. Now we're going to have 3 stages set up, and you're going to have their time plus their penalty. Now their penalties will be if they leave a target or if they shoot outside of the headshot on the 3rd stage. Now the first stage is going to be by tailored targets. It's going to be their dueling tree, and you're going to take 3 targets from the left and put it over to the right side. Then move on to the pop cans. Now you're going to want to shoot the first pop can, then the second pop can, and then move on to target 3 and 4. Now the last stage is going to be a headshot. You're going to be about 10 to 12 yards, take a headshot, and anything outside of the head is a 2-second penalty. Absolutely in the head.
Okay.
Steve has passed. Now he does have a 2-second penalty. He left one of the green targets up. So his time, 27.24 with penalty, makes it 29.24.
29.24. All right.
You hit the same hole.
True story. He won. He won penalties.
23.59.
With 6 seconds.
With 6 seconds, which is a 29.59.
0.59.
Which is
barely beat you. Barely beat you.
Hey guys, if you want to win Don's gun,
What do they have to do?
all you have to do,
I'm all about it now.
yeah, all you have to do is comment on this video, give us a thumbs up, and go onto our website. We are actually going to have a tab I'm going to put on the top that says win free gun here. All you have to do is fill out the information on there. We'll randomly pick an email off of that, and you will win Don's personal shield in 40.
I'm keeping the extra mag.
No, you're not.
Damn.
And you get 2 mags. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Again, this is Steve, Alex, Don from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana, and I hope whoever wins enjoys their free gun.
I hate you.